easy steps of transaction for FreeCharge Void on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Insert or swipe card or press any key. Step 4. Select FreeCharge and press green button. Step 5. Select FreeCharge Void and press green button. Step 6. Enter mobile number and press green button. Step 7. Enter the batch ID and press green button. Step 8. Enter ROC or invoice number and press green button. Step 9. Enter the amount and press green button. Step 10. Merchant copy gets printed. Step 11. Press Yes to generate customer copy. Step 12. Charge slip gets printed. Please feel free to contact us. Helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.